This video will introduce you to the basic operations for the first use of the SignalFire AI-9 fiber splicer. First, remove the stool. Open the toolkit. Pull out the right side drawer. The power adapter is on the second layer, followed by the fiber cleaver. Then check the accessories one by one. Power button, X or Y screen button, Continue button, Reset button, Battery eject button, OPM port, VFL port, OPM and VFL button, red lights, wavelength switching, switch test unit. Long press the power button to turn on the device. First-time users, scan the QR code on the screen to download the SignalFire 2 available on both Apple App Store and Android markets. Splicing settings, enable or disable the Fusion Splicer menu and configure parameters. Language selection, supports English, Spanish, and multiple other languages. Splicing records, view the number of splices, splicing time, and splicing loss. Discharge calibration, perform discharge calibration on new machines or when the construction environment changes significantly. The app can also perform this operation. Splicing pause, click during the splicing process to pause it. Autofocus, enable or disable autofocus. OPM and VFL, enable or disable the optical power and red light functions, and select parameters. Preheating, quickly enable or disable preheating. Timed shutdown, automatically shuts down after standby. The duration can be modified via the settings menu on the main interface. Click the home icon to return to the main interface. Click Discharge Calibration. Insert the pre-cleaved optical fiber. Match the discharge power to the current construction environment to achieve the optimal splicing effect until the prompt indicates that discharge calibration is successful.
Our calibration succeed.
Step 1. Slide on the heat shrink sleeve first. SignalFire fiber stripper. For drop cable, insert the 2 mm conventional drop cable into the stripping jaw to remove the outer jacket, then use the Miller jaw to scrape off the coating layer. The drop cable load-bearing steel wire jaw is strictly prohibited from directly cutting drop cables or other steel wires. For patch cord and pigtail, use the largest Miller jaw to strip the outer jacket, use the front scissors to cut off the Kevlar fibers, use the medium jaw to strip the inner jacket, and use the small jaw to scrape off the coating layer. Fiber cleaning. Wipe the fiber with 95% alcohol prep pads to ensure optimal splicing performance. Fiber cleaving. For optical cables or bare fibers, place the stripped coating section within 15 mm of the clamp ruler. Ensure the fiber tip extends past the right side fiber clamp plate. For drop cable fibers, press the fiber jacket firmly against the clamp stopper. Extend the fiber tip past the right side clamp plate. For patch cords pigtails, position the white inner core within 15 mm of the ruler. Let the fiber tip protrude beyond the right clamp plate. Close the lid. Push the blade holder outward to complete cleaving. Fiber placement guidelines. The fiber coating must not extend beyond the clamps. The stripped fiber end must protrude past the V-groove. Position as close as possible to the electrodes. Never let the fiber extend beyond the electrode tips. Close the cover for automatic splicing. Automatically detect end face angles and display estimated loss upon successful splicing. Open the covers of the cooling tray and heater. When splicing the drop cable and pigtail, start with the drop cable side. First, slide the heat shrink sleeve to an appropriate position, then apply slight tension to both ends to prevent fiber breakage. Next, prepare the pigtail. Finally, slide the heat shrink sleeve so that the splice point is positioned in the center of the sleeve. When the indicator light turns on, 15 seconds rapid heating begins. In winter, preheating can be enabled via the APP to shorten the heating time. The process is complete when the indicator light turns off. Remove the fiber and place it in the cooling tray. 7,800 mAh large capacity lithium battery with 2 charging ports, supports 3 charging methods, and offers ultra-long battery life. Enter the splicing interface and turn on the optical power and red light power switches. Visual fault locator function. Plug the red light port into the SC or FEC universal connector. Press the red light 650 button to turn on the red light. The red light switches between solid on, flashing, and off. This is commonly used for line tracing and breakpoint troubleshooting. Optical power meter. Plug in an optical signal. First, select the matching wavelength. 1310 nanometers is commonly used. Then, select the power unit dBm. A larger value indicates a higher optical power. First, prepare a standard light source with a known reference power value. Connect the standard signal to the device's optical power interface to display the actual measured value. Then, link to the mobile app and navigate to OPM and VFL under Measured Power Value. Click Query to retrieve the device's reading. Proceed to Measurement Tool Calibration. Input the standard power value of the light source, save the settings, and the calibration will complete successfully. Open the app and grant necessary permissions. No manual pairing required. Simply tap the device ID to establish Bluetooth connection. Language selection, 12 languages covering major global markets. Splicing settings, enables turning the splicer menu on or off and adjusting parameters. Record retrieval, allows exporting and uploading splicing records. Heating time, modify heating duration and toggle the preheating function on or off. Operation tutorial, provides guidance on how to use the splicer. Firmware update supports remote system upgrades to keep the device up to date. Signal Fire, make fiber splicing easier.